Junaya, who this? I'm coming to you guys with a new video. If you're new, welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, what's up? Anyway, so I was on Amazon. I did a little Amazon shopping because I kind of have a shopping addiction. So I decided to buy this frontal, and this will be the first frontal that I ever got in my life, that I'm trying with you guys, that I've ever bought, first frontal that will ever touch this head. So I got it like 2 days ago, but I just wanted to wait until I was able to record so I can, you know, like get a reaction on to what I bought, and I'm so excited. So they could, this is the packaging. I guess the hair is from Original Queen hair. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. But I paid like $80 something for this wig, and it's curly. So it's a curly wig. Paid $80 for it, around $80, and it's supposed to be 12 inches. So I'm gonna get my keys to. Oh my god, I just want this to be open. Right. That's it. So it just comes with their contact information and stuff. That's it. This is supposed to be human. So 100% human hair. This is the inside of it, and this is what it looks like. Girl, I'm really not feeling this, but it's straight out the box, so I can't really be picky. You know what, I'm gonna put it on. Like, how do I? This is giving me Rick James, Michael Jackson. Like, what? What is this? And I think the lace is too dark for my skin color. This is my first time with a frontal, and I don't even know, like, what do I do? This wig is very, very thin. All right. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope and pray that we can turn this into a miracle, because I don't even know how I feel about this. Look at the back. Like, I had to take a quick intermission because I've never done a frontal before. Like, what do I wasn't prepared for this, honestly. And this is supposed to be 12 inches. This is not giving me 12-inch vibes right now. So I guess I get what I pay for, but bitch. What the? Wow. Let's see if I can finesse this. Hopefully. Maybe I'm just being a dramatic girl, like I always do, but girl, whoa, what is this? So I'm gonna try to bleach the knots. I never did it before, So I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed and hope that I didn't ruin this wig.
So I bleached the knots a little bit too much. You can see it's a little light right here, but that's okay. Now I'm getting fancy with it. I think I want to try to put some highlights up in here. So let's see how that works. So this is a dyeing process. I know it's a mess. You guys know that I'm not like a hairstylist or whatever. I tried to bleach the ends. I don't know how that's gonna come out, but it is what it is. What? My old phone, huh? I should call when I go.
And just plucking going back. As you guys can see, I'm pretty much plucking in rows. This is the best way to pluck your unit so that you don't get any patches or recede your hairline. And as you guys can see, it makes a world of a difference. So all I'm going to do is...
that you don't see it lifting up, okay? So if you guys have curly units, please invest in a detangling brush, whether it be a Denman, a Felicia Weatherspoon, a Tangle Teaser, even the generic ones. Invest in a detangling brush.
So I decided to try this with the wig on because I can't do baby hair for my life. Like, it's mad hard. So I'm gonna lay this hoe down like this. I'm over here. I feel like a cute ass Michael Jackson. All right, something that I can say about this hair. In the beginning, I definitely overreacted. This is good hair. It's cute. But the way that this hair sheds, crazy. This whole process since I got it out of the box, it's just been shedding like crazy. So yeah. Now I do not know how I'm gonna lay this wig down. Do I need to do the ball cap method, or can I just like do the got to be thing and just do it? I really like this hair. She's cute. All right, I'll be back in a second because I gotta figure out what I'm doing with this hair. Oh gosh, y'all, I'm so nervous because I've never, like, girl. All right. So I'm gonna cut the rest of this off camera because this is really freaking me out. Like, I'll be back. You know what? I don't know if I need the ball cap method just to glue this thing down, but I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna use this. I got this from the beauty supply store. How do you get this thing to focus? Oh well, whatever. It's the Lace Wig Bond, Lace Wig Glue, water resistant from Eshell Luxury Wig Fashion or whatever. Here I am, once again, doing another failure. Girl, I don't even know where to start with this. Like, here. This lace is already not looking good. Oh wow, I really messed this up. Here goes nothing. I'm only doing one side at a time. I'm pretty sure there's like a whole 4 steps that I just missed. But something just flew in my eye. I don't know. I don't know what I just did. Bro, I'm struggling so much. I'm just gonna put... Okay. Now I gotta do baby hair, but I don't even know how to do baby hair. We need to put a little swoop. We need some swoops in here.
I mean, the new thing is what? So I can
It's not wep, it's whap.
whap. I can come and whap it in front of
No!
you. What?
No, thank you.
I mean, if you need me.
I'm good. I don't know how to do baby hair. I'll figure it out. Since I cannot do the baby hairs, I'm dead ass running to my best friend's house so she can finish the rest because the lace is so, like, you can see it. And I want to add a bayang, but I'm not really sure yet. I don't know. It was $80. Guys, meet my best friend Maya. Yesterday was her birthday, and she's mean. Ow. See? Why did you pull it so down on your forehead? I don't know. I was struggling. Not the bang. The bang.
Oh, so that's not your hair?
No, this is a wig. I did a horrible job.
It look like if you're not from anybody with any kind of is unnatural shape.
I feel like Michael Jackson. The bags. Ah. Bro, I came to you to do baby hairs.
Okay, that's different.
Exactly.
You've never had hair that involves it anyway, so it's different.
Hey guys, she just called me bald.
You're not bald. I meant you never used a wig that needed it. Literally, never.
My next wig better have some bangs.
You're getting somewhere. You and your damn bang.
The song is stuck in my head. I don't know why. So my best friend did my edges, and now I put it in like twisties because I wanted to see how it would dry. I said twisties, like a mini twist out or whatever you want to call it, just to see how it come. So now I'm free to do what I want to this hair. All right, let's reveal Maya's talent. No wig. Who this? Who is this? I'm ending the video right here. Thanks for tuning in, and I just pulled my thumb all the way up into my butthole. But like I said, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't make me come in there.
Stop, you lower the tone.
Why are you telling here she come bothering me?
Why are you yelling?
Because it's my house and I live here.
I'm at a 4 and you're at a 9. Just
So what?
bring it down.
I don't
Can't curse on YouTube. Okay, so my final thoughts on this wig is I am very, very dramatic because in the beginning I wanted to cry. I looked at it and I'm like, what the heck is this? And now that it's on my head and it's finessed in the best way possible, I love it. I wouldn't recommend it as a starting wig though. If this is your first time with a frontal, don't be like me. And don't use this as a tutorial. Because it's not. It's a journey.